National Weather Service in Pleasantville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County, northeastern Jackson County, northern Lafayette County, southern Ray County, northwestern Saline County until 4 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wellington and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. At 2:53 p.m., trained weather spotters reported half-dollar-size hail in Blue Springs. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Richmond, Lexington, Carrollton, Henrietta, Hardin, Norborne, Waverly, Dover, Bogart, and Wakenda. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Carroll, Jackson, Lafayette, Ray, and Saline.